Hello students, I am Dr. Prakash. I welcome you all for the presentation on e-business subject of 6th semester BBA. In this session number 3.2, I will be discussing about the topic B2C payments. B2C, that is business to consumer, concentrates to retail or sale side of the e-commerce. It is commerce between companies and consumers or customers, which involves customers gathering information, purchasing physical goods like books or travel or information goods like downloadable digital contents such as softwares, music or electronics books. So we have n number of websites as well as applications, mobile applications through which we can purchase the goods as well as the services. Say for example, we'll use Amazon.com or Amazon, Flipkart, BigBasket, Grofers, Make My Trip and other applications to purchase the goods or services. And there has been a great successful rate in these areas. Say for example, real estate, where the consumers can have several pictures or even 360-degree view of the apartment, or consumer can search by the price, area or by number of rooms, whichever is convenient for their purpose. So for example, we have applications as well as websites like housing, nobroker.com, then magictricks.com and others through which the customers can make their purchases. The second one is adult entertainment, which is considered to be very discreet, personal and business gains a lot of additional value by enabling non-physical contact when doing purchases over the internet. The third one is traveling. It is easy to enable imaginary view of paradise destination by showing pictures and 360-degree view of the beaches and accommodation facilities and consumers being able to purchase the trip just by clicking the mouse button. And of course, consumers can easily seek for cheapest route or accommodation. We have applications like Make My Trip and Easy Trips, etc., through which people can book the air tickets, train tickets, bus tickets, as well as the hotels in those tourist places. The next one is auctions. Being able to bid for a goods over the internet without being present and wait for that one particular object is being auctioned off. Drive to the auction place and still there is a big risk that one is not able to get the goods within a reasonable price or not at all. Possible lot of time and effort wasted for nothing. Then we have banking or personal finance management is a great success which pertains to the management of personal investments and finances with the use of online banking tools. So most of the banking companies have given the e-banking or internet banking or mobile banking services through which the customers can make the purchases and make the payments. And finally, the customer support service. It is a must to have online. Take for example Microsoft. Of consumers is where to call Microsoft every time they need information of support or even better. Microsoft were to mail an update CD every time there was a security update or service pack. Not so successful area for B2C are, that is daily groceries, which may work for elderly people but distribution in a large quantity could cause problems. Other area is items that need touch or trial like clothes or luxury items. Nowadays, even people will buy the products through the big baskets, Grofers and other such apps, and also the while purchasing the clothes or luxury items, people will depend upon Myntra, Amazon or Flipkart to buy the clothes or luxury items. Thank you.